Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Well, my channel. She visited. Today we are gonna do a challenge. So we went to East Coast Pizza and we got a large pie. Check it out. Lean that camera a little bit so they can. And we went to Sonic and we got drinks again. So today's challenge is we are going to.
We literally went to Sonic yesterday.
Yeah, we went to Sonic yesterday. So today's challenge is we're gonna attempt to eat the entire large pie. It's just the two of us. So let's see.
But then what are we doing after?
And then after the challenge, we are committing to go to the gym daily to work out. So that's why we got the pizza. Because the challenge is to eat this whole pie. Just me and her. And then after that, we're committed to the gym every day. So can we do it?
I just put a little bit of...
That's good. So come on, you take a slice. Can we do it? Do y'all think we can do it? This is slice number 1. Come on. East Coast pizza. Regular cheese. She don't like extra cheese. If you were from New York, you would like extra cheese. My husband told us not to do it, but we're doing it anyway.
We had to order
And he ordered extra crispy. And when we got there, my daughter went in to get the pizza. And when she came back to the car, I said, why does the pizza smell burnt? And she opened it up, it was burnt. Slice number 1. How many slices come in there? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8 slices. We gotta finish this pizza. Come on, girl, you ain't eating. We're gonna pass out. Just consider it done. There's no more cheese, just tomato. Look.
Is it? That's not.
Oh my God. Pizza crust.
I said Pizza Hut, but she didn't want to get pizza. Or in better because they could eat the crust too. I don't eat this.
Slice number 2.
No breaks. It's so dinner time. 7:30.
Yeah, 7:30 at night. This is our breakfast, lunch, and dinner, so we ain't eating nothing else after this.
You eat wrong. I ain't eating nothing. They got a mold grass at this time.
Leave a comment below if you think we're gonna finish this pizza.
They're really cheap.
Y'all think we can finish it? I don't know.
I think so.
She on the first slice. Come on, girl. Go. It's starting to get low. Terrible. Who's going to this challenge?
You.
I just wanted some pizza.
I know. That's why. She said, we were in the car, she said, pizza sounds good. Look what we're doing now.
We got 4 more slices to go. my God, y'all want some pizza?
I'm good.
Tired of chewing. They left the top on.
It's not gonna come out.
But you only on number 2. I'm about to get to number 3. Try to see where's the smallest slice. Oh my God.
You can't have it.
It's number 3. Oh
That's
my
my
God.
slice.
How many you ate?
2.
You better keep going. I think we lost.
My jaw is starting to get tired.
Come on.
Like,
Go to the gym. We can go to the gym anyway.
I said we should go to the gym and see what we should. I'll do it today.
Come on, 3 more slices. We should do it.
You have 2. I mean 1.
I had 1 slice.
You got 1 more slice.
Oh yeah! I just got 1 more left, y'all.
You just realized that.
I could do
I
it.
should have made you eat both of them.
I had 1, 2, 3. Wait, I had 3 slices already.
Yeah, 1 more yours.
Oh my God.
That's mine.
Huh?
That's mine.
No, it ain't.
It's not folded. It's not folded. This is mine.
Oh my God.
Don't try that.
We gonna be sick.
I'm good.
You good? You got 2 more slices to eat. Go ahead. That one. Oh my God. My God. Oh my God.
And this is big slices of pizza. It's New York style.
Some people in New York is fat.
You called yourself fat, Mom. You just called yourself fat.
You're a native New Yorker. Oh my God.
Both.
Yeah, somebody wants some pizza.
I can really shout if I eat both of them.
Go ahead. I'm very competitive, so I'm gonna stuff myself with this damn pizza. We are not okay.
That was your idea.
We are not okay.
I'm not even full yet.
Well, go ahead. You got 2 more slices to go, girl. 1 more slice for me.
This is not fat.
You're gonna die of cholesterol. Our cholesterol gonna go to the roof. My husband told me not to do it. But he is the one who ordered the damn pizza. All right.
My last slice.
My last slice.
You can't have them.
Jigga wants some pizza. You can't have no pizza, Jigga. And I can't pick you up to show the people you agreed to. My last one. I'll try to share it with y'all.
You gonna throw up? You got that?
I'm smelling the grease now. Oh my God.
You see all that grease? What's on that slice?
No more challenges for me. Somebody call my husband, please.
Tell him that we did it.
Oh my God.
You regret it. You regret doing it.
I can't let the people down. My subscribers. Oh God. Oh no! A piece of pizza fell on the floor.
He's like, look here.
He got it already. Oh no! Look. Nigga. My dog, man.
No, he's looking at it.
Y'all ever ate so much of something that it started tasting nasty?
It's just salty. Yeah.
It started tasting horrible. Oh my God. If I take big bites, it should be finished quick.
Almost on the last slice, you guys. Almost on the last slice.
It's 12 minutes. We ate.
Oh, look at that. Quick.
We greedy. I'm gonna be sick, y'all.
We ain't seen none of this pizza.
It's
okay, Jigga.
I taste the grease coming up
It's okay,
in my esophagus. The grease is coming
that
up.
word is too big. That word is too big. Just say throat.
In my throat. You have to expand your vocabulary, girl. This pizza tastes so good. And then I ate so much, it don't taste good.
It's okay, puppy. Last slice.
I'm struggling, y'all.
Last slice.
Ain't no more. Let's see. It's empty.
Oh, y'all keep going for me.
Y'all witnessed it. Y'all gonna witness us go to the hospital too. Go ahead, girl. Did you stalling?
I'm not full. I'm chewing.
You want it? Oh, take a bite.
Lactose intolerant. Huh.
I'm gonna be on the toilet.
Where's Chicken going? He went upstairs.
He tired of us in this pizza. Y'all, I can't even chew no more.
Look, this sauce is so greasy.
I tell you, everything start getting wrong with it when you're not hungry no more. Y'all feel sorry for us? My dog upstairs barking.
Ow.
Maybe he ate the pizza, he thirsty.
My door's open.
Y'all,
Finish it, Ma.
finish it. My face telling it all. Oh my God.
I'm not full. I'm just getting tired of it.
Eat it!
It's too salty for me right now. But I'm gonna still eat it, y'all. Y'all gonna quit.
She Lord. You gotta eat it. We don't got that much time. It's already 15 minutes into the video.
Okay.
Come on, I'm not editing out nothing. So come on.
To you, Sash!
Yeah.
Thank you!
I don't know what possessed me to think of this stupid challenge.
Exactly.
A dumb challenge.
I agree.
This is extra
Look at
stupid.
my lips.
Oh my God. Is that considered finish, y'all?
No, there's still more.
No.
2 more bites.
2 more bites. And you burping like a excuse me.
I'm gonna go get a spoon, you guys.
Don't throw that pizza in the garbage. Get back here with that pizza. You're trying to throw it in the garbage. Or mysteriously drop it on the floor. You think you slick. She said 2 more bites. I got 1 more bite. Okay, I'm done.
Ew, this tastes so nasty.
Oh,
Hold on.
oh. That was the worst thing I ever
Take
done.
another bite. Oh! The pizza fell, you guys.
I don't think I'm ever eating pizza again. Okay.
Where did you come from?
Don't try this at home, guys. It wasn't a good idea.
I've seen people eat a whole pizza by themselves on YouTube. How do you do that?
Okay, I'm done.
I'm not done.
Come on, hurry up.
It's gonna give me a headache. You want it, Jigga?
No, don't you give him nothing. I can pick him up now, y'all. Y'all want to see Jigga?
No. That's pizza getting
Finish eating so I can pick up the dog. It's not nice picking up the dog while you eat. Come on. Let's share it on, guys. Go, 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 go. You done? You done? You done? You done? You done? Are you done? Are you done? The pizza got me delirious. Overdose on pizza.
Gosh, she OD'd on pizza.
You stalling.
This icy
Eat your pizza.
This icy tastes good.
Jigga, I'm going to pick you up just now. I'm going to pick you up. I know you want to say hi to the subscribers, but your sissy got to finish eating. Nuh-uh. I saw you stick it under your arms or something. Eat it. Come on. The rest, we not going nowhere. We not going nowhere.
You gonna let me get fat?
Hmm?
You gonna let me get fat?
What happened?
You gonna let me get fat?
That. What? Don't talk with your mouth full, girl.
I'm not full. I'm just tired.
I just gained 20 pounds on camera. Look at this. Y'all, don't ever do that. That's the worst thing we could have done.
It was your idea. Yeah, who told you that? Yeah.
And she go, yeah, mama, let's do it.
You should have got Pizza Hut, because that would have taken
We should have got a personal pizza. Oh, that would have been better.
for both of us.
But I'm finished. I did it. That means you can do anything that you put your mind to, guys.
We do not care.
If you want to do something, just put your mind to it and do it.
We finished this pizza.
Let's go.
2 more bites about it.
Go Beans. Go Beans. Go Beans. You know her name's not Beans, right? She don't want me to tell you her real name.
I didn't say that. Jazara.
What?
Jazara.
Don't tell them people your name. They gonna be searching for you. They gonna search for you. They gonna say I'm looking for Tadara. Y'all don't be searching for my baby. Then.
Gotta take the glass out.
Are you done?
No.
I think you're sweating.
What?
21 minutes it took you to eat pizza.
Because I'm getting tired of it. I finished your eyes.
2 more bites like you told me.
I did.
Look at my crust. Go ahead, 2 more bites. 1 more. No, look at my crust. Look at yours. Look. Took a little nipples. All right, guys. She did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Yeah, we did it. Yeah, we did it. Yeah, you're right. You're right, girl. You're right.
I'm not even
See you guys. We did it. And tomorrow we're going to the gym.
What was the finish chewing?
Oh, finish showing, please. Are you done?
No.
You got food all over your face. Are you too? All that powder.
That's the flour.
The crust. Come on. Swallow it. Swallow it. I better check on us tomorrow.
I'm good. She's not.
All that cholesterol, not good for you.
My blood sugar is probably high.
Come on. You done? You did it?
Right? Love more.
And we out, guys. Thanks for watching. Why don't you like, comment, and subscribe? See you soon. Bye.